In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a friend in Splitwise. If you've ever cleaned up your Splitwise account, you know that over time you can end up with old or inactive friends you don't really share expenses with anymore. Removing those friends can make your list easier to manage, and that's exactly what we're going to walk through together now. First, open Splitwise in your web browser and log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're on the main Splitwise dashboard, look for the section that lists your friends. This is usually on the left-hand side of the screen. Take a moment to scan through that list and find the specific friend you want to remove. Make sure you choose the correct person, especially if you have friends with similar names. Next, click directly on the name of the friend you want to remove. This will open that friend's detail page where you can see all the expenses, repayments, and history you share with them. Before going any further, it's a good idea to quickly check whether you still owe them money or they owe you. Ideally, balances should be settled to 0 before you remove someone, so there's no confusion later on. Now look towards the right side of the screen for a small gear icon or a settings option. This is where Splitwise keeps the controls for managing your relationship with that friend. Click on the gear icon to open a small menu of options related to that specific friend. In the menu that appears, find and click on the option that says Remove this friend. When you select this, Splitwise will usually take you to a confirmation page or show a prompt, because removing a friend is a more permanent action. On the confirmation screen, you'll see a button labeled Delete this friend. Read any message or warning text carefully so you understand what will happen next, such as losing quick access to your shared history. When you're ready, click Delete this friend to confirm. After this, that person will no longer appear in your active friends list in Splitwise. And that's it. You've successfully removed a friend in Splitwise. You can repeat the same steps for any other inactive or outdated connections to keep your account organized and easy to navigate.